Hey guys, today we have another great product to review.
Alright, Anna, I'm not gonna throw it.
We have an air fryer.
An air fryer from TEDFLOP. Alright, you know what? You're gonna need some help. This is heavy. Let's okay, looks like we're gonna flip it this way. Start unwrapping it. I've got an instruction manual and I've got what looks like 2 grilling pads. So Anna, with an air fryer, you get a much healthier way of eating. You're not frying food in dangerous grease. It's hot air blown on a coil, and it circulates through these different ovens and heats up the food. So what's good about this air fryer, it's got 2 cooking bins, and at the bottom you stick these grilling pads. So with an air fryer, I'm going to take these out for a second. Let's go ahead and tilt this back. You hold it just like that. So you have these coils on each side. You can cook different items of food on each side at different temperatures. You got the coil that generates heat. There's a fan behind each coil, and that blows air, which cooks your food. All right, Annalisa, we brought the air fryer over on our oven. So you have your power button. Go ahead and press that, Annalisa. And how do we get the other stuff to light up? Alright, so you press 1 for the left cooking bin, and up top you have your choices of fries, that steak, what is that? Chicken, pizza, bread, I can't tell, it's fish over here. But you have your choices of your food products, or you can enter your time and temperature manually. There's a temperature icon right here. That's the temperature for the left side. And then you have your time. Now apparently you can sync the left and the right. That puts both temperatures equal on both sides. And oh, that's shrimp right there. And then you have your light bulbs, which will illuminate your food cooking. Okay, so we're in the US, so our temperature is going to be in Fahrenheit. And looks like you got potato wedges, same as fries. There you go, for 18 minutes. Go ahead and load that into the left. Go ahead and pour them in there. And as you open the door, it lights up, which is good. Alright, let's get chicken strips for the other side. Alright, go ahead and load the chicken strips on the other side. And there's our light. There we go. Alright. press the button that says dual cook. There we go. And you can adjust the temperatures for each side. So that is chicken strip. It's going to be about the same as the fries, I think. Maybe a little bit longer. Let's add a little bit more time to the right side. Alright. Hit the start button. Right there. Start, stop. And you know, I thought it would be a noisy fan, but it's very quiet. And it's counting down the time. So we'll go ahead and cook these for another 18-19 minutes and we'll be back. So we're about halfway through our cycle here, our cooking cycle, and an alarm sounded for us to shake it. So go ahead and shake them, Anna.
What do we do?
Okay. So they'll cook evenly. Okay. Yeah, it has a switch for lights so you can see your food cooking. And so we got about 6 minutes left in the fries, about 8 minutes left on the chicken strips. We'll be back. Alright, Annalisa, our potato wedges are done. Go ahead and pour them in that bowl. Why don't you try one, see if it's cooked, or maybe it might need to be cooked longer.
It's hot.
Done. All right, very good. Just got a couple of minutes on the chicken strips. All right, Annalisa, our chicken strips are done. Why don't you take a bite of one, see if it's ready. Hot?
Yeah.
So our chicken strips were done too, and here's our fries and chicken strips together. The air fryer cooked them in like half the time of a conventional oven and don't have all that grease from frying them up. We will put a link in the description where you may purchase this great product on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.